hope you are doing great. Let's go and try to use our font. The font I'm going to use for the presentation is download overdrive sunset font. The font I'm going to use is overdrive sunset. It's a really useful font and you can easily download it. When the download is complete, you go here and just extract the font. Then you have the font, just run it and install it. Now your font has been installed. You need to go to your fonts, your template when you open it. For example, let's say overdrive sunset. Sorry, why it's not work? Overdrive sunset. Okay, it's work. You'll see the font has been created. This is the first font we are going to use. And then we are going to use some other fonts. Let's go here. I want to teach you a really useful, very useful hint. And what is that? The hint is that when you are using a font that are not the fonts that you have, that are not the font that the PowerPoint or Word have themselves, for example, your company or the where you is working don't have that font, it is important for you to bring your PC or your laptop for the font to can use it in the best way possible. If you don't bring your PC or your font, you are going to crash and everything is going to be wrong because your presentation is not going to work and your font is also not working and everything else is pretty, how I say it, it's really bad. The things that happens many times is that the person is going to present but its font is not working and he can't do the presentation. Some of the fonts I'm going to show you, some of the fonts are for printing like this. They are not useful, but we can also install them and use them, but they are better for printing. For example, the wedding signature, we can use it for the using V. Close the presentation and this go to the fonts and open it again. After installation, we can use it, the wedding signature. You see, there are two fonts that we are going to use. One of them is this and one of them is Overdrive Sunset. There are two fonts that we are going to use, and also we have another fonts. There are some more easier fonts like this, italic, another font. Each presentation is good to have 4 and 5 font, not more. The more is not better always. We are going to go with something that's easy to read, this thing. We have these 4 fonts that we are going to use in creating this presentation. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the